All right, everybody, here is your Core Bytes number 20, so make sure you make your corrections. The first thing we have is a function table, and so it gives you the rule y equals x plus 4. So here is y, and it is created equaled once you take x and add 4. So 2 plus 4 gives you 6. 5 plus 4 gives you 9. 9 plus 4 gives you 13. 10 plus 4 gives you 14. 15 plus 4 gives you 19. So that is a cool way to use the equation to figure out the answer. For number 2, which sign makes the sentence true? You have the number 746 and the number 1002. So for that one, we know that this is in the hundreds place, the 7 is. The 1 is in the thousands. So that means that 1000 is greater than 700. So the best answer would be that 746 is less than 1002. So your answer would be A. For number 3, we have 9 over 10, which is a fraction, and they want you to write it as a decimal. So it's 9/10. So if you're using decimals, there's nothing in the whole number in the ones place. So you're going to put your decimal. And then whenever we learn decimals, tenths would be the first place value here. So your answer would be 0.9, 9/10. For your angle here, make sure you see it's going this way. Usually they've been going to the right. Here it's going to the left with this protractor. So as you can see, if it was right here in the middle, that would be 90 degrees and it would be right. If it was anything past that, it would be an obtuse angle, but it is less than that, so it would be oh so cute. So it would be an acute angle. Okay? And then your last one says a polygon with 5 sides is called a blank. Think of Washington, D.C. The Pentagon has 5 sides. So the polygon shape pentagon has 5 sides. So that was your answer review for Core Bytes 20. Please make sure you check yours.